is my car, Santa Fe. It's nearly 45 lakh. पास आ जाओ थोड़ा. And I will show you the remotes were here. I can move it and then seats visible. And I will show how to reverse. Firstly, I am to make more forward little bit, and then पूरा दिख रहा है complete. It's all right. So many features in this car. So this is my new car also. Have a good day. And thank you.